So here's a really beautiful specimen. The main reason it looks so good is because there are no caterpillars chewing on it. So you get to see all the flowers and all the vegetation, and it's just so pretty and lush. They are really sweet little flowers. But just be prepared, they don't look this great for very long once the butterflies find them. This is an eastern black swallowtail caterpillar chewing on a native host plant called a mock, Bishopsweed. And these little plants are in the celery and carrot family. So a lot of people buy parsley and dill and fennel to feed their caterpillars. But if you can get some mock Bishopsweed started on your property, it comes back year after year and it provides a lot of food for the butterflies. And it's completely native and survives on natural rainfall. Doesn't need any maintenance at all. Here's another little patch I have growing around the base of my banana trees. And these are pretty close to the canal. As most people know, bananas like lots and lots of water, so the mock bishopweed does pretty good around the base of these bananas. I just love how sweet and delicate the little tiny flowers are. Here is an eastern black swallowtail caterpillar. This is the first instar, so they look completely different. They have a lot of dark bands on them. But once they go into their second and third instar, they start getting more light green. So this is the same type of caterpillar, it's just a teeny tiny baby one. So this is one that's probably the second or third instar. And as you can see, the bands are spreading out a little bit wider and it's not as dark. So you start getting lighter at this stage and they'll have more light green bands and less dark black bands. And he's feeding on a plant called mock Bishopsweed, which is a little native wildflower that's a host plant for these butterflies. Here's another very boring shot of a caterpillar not doing anything. But at least you get to see what they look like. You can see some little seed pods on the plant. So I hope you enjoy your mock bishopweed seeds and your butterfly gardening and your native plant gardening.